Hello and welcome back everyone to Immigration Talk Show. Today we are going to tackle one of the biggest challenge for H1B applicants, and that is finding a sponsor. It might sound really tough, but trust me, with the right approach you can do it. I'll share some easy tips in today's video and also tricks to help you find a sponsor and start your US journey. So let's begin with the very first question. What exactly is an H1B sponsor? It's a US company willing to hire you and file your visa paperwork. They handle the legal side of things and also show the government that they need your skills for the job. However, not all companies offer sponsorship because it obviously costs a lot of money and paperwork too. But don't worry, there are plenty of companies that do sponsor if they need your special skills. So now let's talk about where to start your search. The trick is to focus on companies that have a history of sponsoring H1B visas. Here are a few ways to find them. Firstly, use online tools. So there are some websites like My Visa Jobs and H1B Gradle that shows you the companies that sponsors the H1B visas. You can see which companies file the most H1Bs and have a high approval rate. According to them, you can go ahead. Next is target big companies. IT companies like Infosys, Microsoft and healthcare organizations are major H1B sponsors. Number 3, explore CAP exempt employers. For some employers like universities or research institutions don't need to follow the H1B lottery system. They can sponsor you anytime. Next comes networking. Well, this is super important, friends, when it comes to finding a sponsor. Here's how you can do it. Number 1. Well, LinkedIn is your friend. Update your profile to include H1B sponsorship and connect with recruiters. Number 2. Attend career fairs. Go to job fairs, especially ones that focus on international students. Companies often attend to find the H1B talent over there. Well, next comes alumni networks. If you studied in the US, then reach out to alumni who got their H1Bs. They can give you tips or even recommend you. Next is cold emailing. Don't hesitate to email HR departments directly. Send them your resume and explain why you are a great fit. Now, next is you have to get ready for sponsorship. Once you have found potential sponsors, it's time to make sure that you stand out. So firstly, you have to tailor your resume. Highlight your skills and also let them know how you can help them to grow their company. Next is be transparent. That's very important. During interviews, let them know upfront that you need H1B sponsorship. Next is research the wage. Make sure you know the salary standards for your role. Employers need to pay you the prevailing wage when they sponsor you. Well, that's all for today's episode, friends. Remember, finding an H1B sponsor takes time. But with these tips, I'm sure you will have a much better shot. Next time, we'll talk about the H1B lottery system and also how you can improve your chances. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. Also, if any questions are there, then please put them on the comment section. Till then, take care everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.